fire department or the tree service is finally here. Come help the poor cat. Oh my gosh. Got people standing underneath it with a blanket. The cat's been up here for 2.5 days. Aww. Come on. Oh, that's so nice.
No shit, I'm already out of it.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Everybody's tearing up.
Oh, kitty.
Oh.
You silly kitty.
Oh, you guys.
Yay.
Good kitty, yeah. Aw. Let's see her. See him. There's Bentley, the cat from the tree.
Oh, you're so scared. Now you go home and get some food.
He's such a pretty cat, too.
You go home and
Here
get
you
you some
go,
water
honey.
and food.
Here you go. Indiana Tree Service, everybody. I'll put this on YouTube. You guys' business be booming. Yeah, is that okay?